Hello, my name is Hinojosa, and today we are going to speak about gender equity. Gender refers to those attitudes and behaviors accepted by the society as appropriate ways of being a woman or a man. Gender parity. It refers to the same proportion of girls and boys enter and complete schooling. Equality aims to ensure that everyone gets the same thing, gender equality. It guarantees that both men and women have the same educational rights and resources. Equity, fairness without bias. Gender equity. It's necessary that authorities, parents, and teachers are involved in creating knowledge to avoid discrimination. Now, educational equity and educational equality. UNESCO said that education is a fundamental human right and essential for the exercise of all other human rights. Educational equality. It's the ideal goal because all students have the resources necessary for a high-quality education. Educational equity. It means that fairness without bias. For example, students in a poor country need more resources than students of a rich country. Now, gender in education. We need education that promotes the equal participation of both sexes in making decisions. Gender equality in education. Boys and girls, men and women should have access to a high-quality education. Now, in the learning process, it that both have the same possibility to take advantage of the process of learning. Now, gender equity in education. It means that girls or even boys will get benefits according to their needs. Cases of gender discrimination in education. It's the unfair treatment most of the time of girls and denial of opportunity and violation of rights. Political factors. Improving the woman participation in different political areas will improve peace in the society. Socioeconomic factors. Poverty doesn't permit that children and girls can access to education. Sociocultural factors. Topics such as patriarchal society, capitalist mentality, gender stereotyping, all of these topics see the woman like somebody that can establish. Now, stakeholders to get gender equality. Stakeholders responsible of ensuring gender equality and equity in education are government, parents, schools, teachers, students. Parents are responsible of ensuring their children have opportunities to go to school. Schools are responsible for inclusive teaching practices and fair disciplinary rules. Students are responsible of ensuring their inclusion, and community members are responsible for monitoring to authorities to challenge stereotypes, and they don't tolerate discriminatory practices. Now, the process of gender equity construction. Reconstruct the idea of gender to work for equitable educational experience. Put gender equity in place in the classroom. It's a key to connecting school and citizenship with human rights. Now, we are going to speak about biological development and health. First, biological development. Children go through different periods of development as they grow. It starts when a baby is still in the womb. Growth refers to increasing a size, length, height, and weight. Development implies overall change in the individuals. Now, the prenatal stage of development. It's a period of remarkable change that helps to set the stage for future psychological development. Brain development before birth takes place in the third gestational week and extends at least through adolescence. There are two processes to the brain development: molecular events and the impact of environment. Growth and development stage in infants and children. It's the first stage of development for children. Here, they development for motor, language, social, sensory, and thinking skill. The child progresses from dependency on their parents. Now, the biology of child development and learning. It has 4 broad insights about the role of the developing brain and other biological systems that I'm going to explain you later. The biology of adolescent development. Changes that take place during these periods are physical, intellectual, personality, and social development. There is a growth spurt during adolescence. Sexual maturation or puberty begins at different ages depending on genetic and environment effects. Brain development, the frontal lobe is responsible for judgment, impulse, and control. Now, the biological The broad inside role of development, brain, and other biological systems in early childhood development. Rapidity of brain development during early childhood, the interplay of genes and environment, the impact of stress on development, and the individual difference in sensitivity to environments. Now, health effects. The relationship between school performance and various health concerns includes the following issues: poor sleep, exercise, obesity, asthma, important breakfast, chronic health problems. For this reason, you must sleep at correct time, you must eat healthy, you must do exercise, and you must take care of whatever healthy problem. Now, if you have a perfect development, you can have a perfect learning process. Thank you.